Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the video, welcome to the garage, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a real quick video. I'm just going to take you through, I'm planning on doing a trail ride with this bug in about 2 days with some friends. And so because I've been spending a lot of time working on the tube chassis, I took probably about 3 hours this morning, and I'm just going to crawl through this Baja bug, front, back, and then the chassis area, and I'm going to do an inspection. Because this is a new vehicle, even though I'm going to be tearing it apart, when I take it up into the mountain trails, it's very secluded up there. Even though I'm going to be with some friends who could theoretically tow me back, I want to have my best chances of not having any breakdowns while I'm up there. So because there's so many things on this chassis, on this Baja, that are new, like the suspension and all that, just stuff that I kind of built from scratch. Between every couple, maybe 3 or 4 rides I take with it, I'll do a full inspection where I go through, check for any leaks, most importantly check for any loose bolts. I'll inspect as many welds as I can, just look to see if anything's cracking, fatiguing, bending, anything like that. And the reason I'm just going to show some of it in this video, I'm just going to take the camera and set it up on a tripod as I'm doing some of the inspections on the rear, just so you can kind of see what's involved. And I'm just showing this to you guys so that you realize or expect that if you do build something like this, once you have it up and running, you need to continue doing things like this to it to make sure that it's reliable and it's safe, not just for yourself, but if you're going to be out on the road with other people, you know, you want to have it as safe as possible. And doing an inspection like this, or a shakedown, maybe you could call it, is part of owning and being responsible for a vehicle like this. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to roll it out a little bit, and I'm just going to start checking nuts, bolts, and everything on the back, and I'll film some of that. Then I'm probably going to take it into town and grab some lunch, just as a little bit more of a shakedown, make sure everything's doing what it's supposed to, and that'll be it. I also, if you watch some of my other videos, I bought a set of 5-point harnesses for the tube chassis that I'm working on, and I had purchased a set of shoulder harnesses that were V-notch, or V harnesses, whatever they call them, and for the tube chassis, that's not what I needed. So for the tube chassis, I ended up buying another set of 5-point harnesses, and that actually kind of worked out well because I could make the V harness work in this Baja bug, and the seat belt that I had in here before was really pretty bad. I was running the harness that this Baja bug had come with when I bought it, and I think those were from like the 80s, and they were pretty bad. They needed to be upgraded. So I did upgrade the harnesses in here, and those are pretty good. So that'll be nice having those on the ride. So let's get to the inspection. Now that I've done my inspection on the front, the rear, and the chassis, I'm going to take the bug and go grab some lunch. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you what's kind of involved when you do an inspection or a shakedown, whatever you want to call it. I just wanted to kind of highlight how it takes a couple of hours. You have to check bolts for tightness, check for any leaks, just kind of spend some time with the vehicle, giving it a once over, making sure that everything's staying together. It's going to help you as far as reliability on the road, and it's also kind of a safety thing that you need to do, just because when you do take these out on the road, you are to a certain degree putting other people's lives at risk, that your vehicle is going to stay together as it's going down the road. Thank you for watching the videos. I hope that they're helping you with whatever you're working on, and I hope to see you on the next video. Take care.